Today's Sunday morning. We are in Lakeland doing emergency repair. Oftentimes what happens, these irrigation goes off and it doesn't, these valves, what happens, the water goes into these valves, and these valves that are in the ground, which are these here, they, from the diaphragm opening, and it's like a diaphragm that opens and closes to let the water go through. From it doing it so many times, up and down, it starts to just wear and tear. It just sometimes gets stuck open, and it leaves the valve open and lets the water continue flushing nonstop. Regardless if you turn off your sprinkler controller, most of their customers always jump over to trying to replace or turn off the sprinkler controller. One of the things you can do, if you have a main shut off for your irrigation, they're typically, like for an example, this house here, there should have been a backflow shut off there on the left side or the right side. You always want to go by where the meter's at, so that'll give you an indication where it might be located, your irrigation main shut off, if that's the case. This customer does not have a main shut off, so you can see that there's a water meter, and right like 4 feet away from it is the irrigation valve manifold here. She didn't have any shut off here, so the only way to turn off, from the water to continue flowing out of this valve is by coming out here and turning off her water meter. So she had one of these valves that was stuck open. Sunday, we got out here within 40 to 35 minutes. We replaced, this is a really old valve. We didn't work on this one, but we replaced this one here. We cut it out and put a whole new one. This one seems like they worked on it before. She has a total of 4 zones. So I'm pretty confident this one's gonna go bad because this one's old too. And that one over here too. These are the only 2 that haven't been worked on, the right and left. The best thing to do when you have these situations, you just might as well get everything replaced in one sweep, so that way all the valves are replaced that same year, and most of the time they'll go bad in the same time. So we got this valve replaced. We turned on the irrigation and everything's good.